Hey, what's up? I'm back and I got some great tips. How many of you like to write, but you've never really had an opportunity to write, or you just whatever? I'm here to tell you that Google will actually pay you to write on Blogger. So here's what it breaks down to. According to, which I'm going to show this screenshot right now, as you can see, AdSense is a free of charge, simple way to earn money by displaying ads next to your online content. With AdSense, you can show relevant and engaging ads to your site visitors and even customize the look and feel of ads to match your site. So I'm looking at this, and what turned me on to this was I'm looking at my blog that I'm just throwing some keywords around, trying to get my e-commerce site to rank a little higher. And I've been watching some videos. I've been working with ChatGPT and Bard and all these great AI writing things. And it's led me to see that people are actually reading my material, and it is it's incredible. So 2 cents for every view, basically. And all right, so roughly 2 cents to $2.50 per 1,000 views. So if you write good content and you've got people that are coming and they're visiting and they're seeing, you're going to get paid for that. And also, once you get this AdSense, now you can start tagging this into a website, like a blog. See, Blogger is free, and it comes free with your Google account. So what are you waiting for? I mean, you can schedule these things. You can write 3, 4, 5, 6. You can schedule these things, once a week or whatever. And people sign up, and then they can start commenting and things like that. And you want people to comment because that helps it out. Trust me. But if I can do this, and I'm not even really trying, now I can see that there is some money in this thing, I'm coming. And I'm coming with some excellent content. Hey, my name is Billy, and I'm just a guy with some common sense, and I like stuff to do with computers. If you want to learn more, don't hesitate to hit that follow button, like this, and share it with your family and friends. That would greatly appreciate it. Take care, and have a great day, and stay tuned for the next time we're here. Take care. Peace.